Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and it's another video for our YouTube channel, and we are going to feature the townhouse of Pueblo de Oro, the project of Pueblo de Oro here in Canasuan, Carcar. This is the south part of Cebu, and this is the first project of Pueblo de Oro outside the Mactan Island. And Pueblo de Oro is now expanding, and they have this project townhomes. The name of this project is Pueblo de Oro Townhomes, Canasuhan, Carcar. And the location is really nice because coming from the subdivision, if you have kids, you don't have to worry because I think we are going to go switch off the light. And coming from the subdivision, the elementary school, the church, and the barangay hall of Canasuhan is walking distance from here. And also, if your kid can walk a little bit far, he or she can also walk the National High School. And later on, after taking this video, we will drive coming from the subdivision and going to the barangay road of the Canasuhan. And let's try to check, and I will point out those locations: the elementary school, the Canasuhan Plaza, the Canasuhan Church, and the barangay hall of Canasuhan. So stay tuned. And this is the facade of the townhomes, and that's the name of the townhomes, Pueblo de Oro Townhomes, Carcar. And this is the first Pueblo de Oro series here in the south, because Pueblo de Oro here in Cebu, mostly the projects are located in Mactan Island. And this is the road, it's really wide, and that's the site of the project. So it's already ongoing land development. And let's go inside. Let's go inside of this townhomes. Thank you so much, Chick. And those are the townhomes that we have here. And these are all the model units that we have. I will show you two model units. And we have this first model unit, which is the corner with extra lot. The lot of this corner unit is about 75.5 square meters, and the floor it's 42 square meters, and it's corner, and it's 2-story townhouse. And this is the inner units. It's the lot is 44 square meters, and the floor is 42 square meters. What I like with this project is that, as you notice, each townhouse unit has that dedicated parking slot. So we will expect that all of the units, since all of the units does have that parking, it means we have here open roads. And let's go to the inside of the model unit. And this is a pre-ceiling. If you are not in a hurry buying a townhouse here in the southern part I will take off my shoes lang. Okay. I will take off my shoes. And this is the model unit. This is a corner model unit, and we have here the ground floor. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, salamat, ma'am. And this is the dining, the living, and look how the interior design of this unit is being done. And we have here the area at the back, which mostly in this type of development, the back will be covered so that extension of the kitchen and the laundry can be done. And the ground floor toilet and bathroom is separated, which is outside of your house. It's located there. And this is the ground floor. What I like with this model unit is its high ceiling. And let's go up to the second floor of the unit, and let's take a look. And this is the second floor of the unit. And since all of the units are the same, they are 42 square meters, and we have here 2 bedrooms on the second floor, and we don't have bathrooms, just only 2 bedrooms in this area. 42 square meters. The only difference is that if you are buying the inner unit, you don't have like this, because this is only for the corner. And this is the bedroom area. And if you are buying the inner unit, you don't have also this window, because this is only for the corner. And let's go down. Let's try to check the bathroom outside. And this is the bathroom. And for this bathroom, it's already finished fixtures. You have, upon turnover, you will have this finished fixtures here. The shower, and this one is not included. So there is no this one, and also this one. They are not included. This one is included. And this is the back of the corner. So if you are going to buy the corner, since this is about 71 square meters, you have this extra lot beside your unit that I think you can also make this as extension for your structure, or you can turn this into your garden. And let's try to check the inner unit. So this is the site development going there. On my other video during the launching of this project, I went there and I showed on that video the actual development. And from here, actually, as I mentioned, this is really near to the high school of the Kanasuhan. And as you can see, that building, that is already the high school, but there is no way direct coming from here direct there, so you have to take the road, the barangay road, which is later on we will try to travel. And since we had been checked the corner, we will try to check now the inner unit. Yeah. And this is the inner unit. It's the same floor area, 42 square meters. The difference is the lot, because the corner is 75 and this one is 44. And let's try to go inside. Oh, it's different layout. I think I like this. I like this how they do the interior. It feels like fresh. I don't know, but I like this one. It's the same floor area, but however, it changed. The layout changed because I think the sofa becomes smaller. On the other side, the sofa is bigger. And the same with the corner. The bathroom is located outside. And mostly townhouses, most of the unit owners, they close the back so that they have an extension. Mostly they are making this as their kitchen. And yes, this is the corner. It's the same area with the corner. I mean, this is the inner unit and the same area with the corner that we have checked. And let's try to go up. I think I like this unit because of the light, maybe. Because I'm really attracted once the light is yellow. I think that's the reason why I feel this unit. Because the other unit, the light there is white. And this one is really cool. I can feel it's really cool. And this is the other bedroom. As I said, you don't have the window because in the corner you have a window here. And let's go to the bedroom. Okay. And this is the bedroom. So we are now driving. What I like with this project is that not only the location, not only this location is near to the church, the school, barangay hall. I like the road. It's widened. The developer bought this road, private road, so that it will be connected to their project. And this is already the Barangay Canasuhan road, which is already cemented. If we are going straight from the left, that will be going to the highway, going to the Cebu City. And this is the logo of the project, Pueblo de Oro Townhomes. And here, if we go to the right, this will leads us going to the barangay hall, the elementary school of the Canasuhan. I think I will bring you first to the elementary school. And this is the Canasuhan proper, and this is the elementary school of Canasuhan. That's the school, elementary school, and I will bring you to the high school. And when we back, I will show you the barangay hall and the church of Barangay Canasuhan. This project is perfect for those who are starting up their family, or for those who are still renting in Cebu City and cannot afford properties in Cebu City, and for those who will consider properties here in the southern part of Cebu, and pre-sealing project. And I think it's very slow. This is going to the high school. I will just show you the road. It's already cemented actually. Going to the high school. I'll just and that's already the high school. You can see from here. Which road is the road is cemented, and if your child doesn't want to go to this school, because as you can see, it is located in mountainous area. If your child doesn't want to go here, there is also near school the Liboron, but it is not, it can be walked, because I think it's a little bit far. The Liboron National High School, and this is the National High School of Canasuhan. Yeah, this is the National High School of Canasuhan. Welcome to Canasuhan National High School. And I will go back so that I can show you the so we're now going back to the proper of Canasuhan, so that I can show you the barangay hall, the church, and their plaza. Wait, the dog. Again, this is the elementary school. That's the elementary school. This one, Canasuhan Elementary School. And this is their plaza, and that is the barangay hall of Canasuhan. That one, multi-purpose barangay hall, and that's their church, the Church of Canasuhan. And if we are going straight with this road, this will be going to the Gaisano Mall. And this is the end of our video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, share the video, and thank you for the support. And this has been me again, Mark, and till to my new video coming soon. Next video. Thank you. Bye bye.